Hello everyone, Swami Origina Dori. And today we have a review on OnePlus 9 Pro. Hasselblad camera for mobile. Take your best shot with the OnePlus 9 Pro 5G's quad camera system co-developed by Hasselblad. Featuring a 48MP main camera, 50MP ultra-wide camera, 8MP telephoto camera, and 2MP monochrome lens. Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 powered by the most powerful Snapdragon platform yet. The OnePlus 9 Pro 5G delivers fast and smooth performance across every app. A day's power in 15 minutes. Take wired charging to the next level with Warp Charge 65T. Or charge wirelessly at ridiculous speeds with Warp Charge 50. Wireless requires optional wireless charging pad. Next generation fluid display. The 6.7 inches QHD Plus display delivers stunning visuals at 120 Hz with next generation LTPO technology that conserves battery. Enhance your gaming experience with Hyper Touch, a new technology that delivers more responsive gaming in select titles. Alexa support. Simply by saying, Alexa, you can play music, make calls, hear the news, or check the weather wherever you are. Download the Alexa app. Complete setup and just ask, and Alexa will respond instantly if your device is not receiving text messages or experiencing error when making phone calls. You need to contact carrier's technical support to add CDMA-less feature. The price $896. If you want to know about similar models, watch this video. And also subscribe to the channel to learn about new products. Bye bye.